Hey guys, Mike here with another video, and today I have another video. Today I will be showing you guys how to turn a normal $100 regular everyday PC here into a fully fledged gaming PC. Let's get to it. First thing what you want to do is you want to take it apart, just somehow take it apart. I actually have a really good method on how to take these PCs apart. This is like an older model, so this works with every model, so just follow this step. That moment when your neighbor decides to actually come home in the middle of you throwing a computer at a rock. Alright, after that step you can just, your computer opens up right away. So, here is your hard drive. You don't need hard drives. Hard drives are old school. You can just throw that on the side. And cooling systems. Pfft, who needs cooling systems anymore? So, next what you want to do is you want to clean it up a little bit inside, Here is the processor. It's not that good. I don't really know how to get it out, so well, RAM isn't mandatory either. Alright. There you go, processor is out. You don't need the processor anymore, guys, I promise. Here it is. Right here. Oh. There's a latch right here that you pull to get it out. Well, that's done, doesn't matter. Now, the video card's the most important part of a gaming PC. A gaming PC. So you just want to clean it up a little bit. Mine's a little dirty. Make sure it's wedged in there nice, or else it won't work. So as you can see, it is wedged in there pretty good. Okay. Now you need to get your hard drive back, because you actually do need a hard drive for this. Here you go. Now it doesn't want to go in. There's a fix for that. There, it fits now. There, you're almost done. There's only one last step. You need to put actual gaming hardware in there. So what you want to do, you just want to grab any piece of gaming technology. Here I have a Nintendo DS. You just want to forge it in there where the processor used to be. You can break the half off. You just need the bottom part where all the stuff actually is. That's how you build a gaming PC. Remember, forge this in there really good. So so now you just have to turn it on. Battery's probably dead. That's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed my video of how to make a gaming PC. So don't forget, Teacher Daily Pie. Goodbye.